Hello guys, and welcome to another quick tutorial video. And in this short tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you how you can simply buy the Web5 Inu on your Trust Wallet mobile. Our first step is to acknowledge the site we're on, and that's coinmarketcap.com, link in the description. And once you've loaded up the page, you simply scroll down till you get to its about, which does contain its contract address and stuff. Simply click on the copy icon right here. Once you've done that, you simply minimize, open up your Trust Wallet, and then proceed to your tokens menu where you might contain BEP20 tokens. So what you need to do is click on your browser, click on PancakeSwap, pancakeswap.finance, that's the site name. The three-dotted icon at the top right corner of the screen, you click that, click on Ethereum, click on BNB Smart Chain, and now we're going to be switching up our BNB Lion for some of the Web5. So you simply paste the address we just copied, which belongs to the Web5 Inu. Click on import. Click on I understand. Click on import again. Our next step is basically going to be clicking on this, and we're going to be swapping either our BNB Lion, or we could make use of another token. Let's go with the loop. Click on max. Click on max. Click on enable loop. Smart contract call comes in. Click on confirm. Reduce your slippage tolerance to about 12.0%. And then proceed to click on swap. Click on swap again. Click on confirm swap. Smart contract call pops in. And you simply click on approve. And boom, it's done. Add Web5 to wallets. Click OK. And now by closing up your PancakeSwap, once you close the site, head over to your wallet, reload for a bit. You'd notice that our Web5 token has been properly dropped on to our wallet. So guys, do comment down below if you have any questions concerning how we can go about this, and you'll be given an answer. Thank you.